Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to send photos in TikTok message. The steps are actually easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok app. The next thing is to log into your TikTok account. Click on the inbox option found at the bottom of your screen. So you can actually click on any of this message in order to see if you can send a photo to somebody. From this you can see that we don't have an option for photo, unlike other social media apps that have an option for you to send photo through their inbox. In order to send photo through to anybody, this is what you have to do. Click on the plus icon found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to select the photo option and click on the photo page. Select the particular photo you really want to send. Let's see, I want to send this photo. The next thing you have to do is to click on the select option, click on next. So you can add sounds if you wish to add sound. Next thing you have to do is to click on next again. If you have an catchy title, you can add it to it and just click on the post option. So you just allow it to process for the next time, complete 100% before you be able to make use of it again. So I have been able to post it. All I have to do now is to select the particular person I want to send this as a message to. So just click on this. You can see I have sent it to Purity Samuel. So guys, that is it on how to send a photo as a TikTok message. I hope with this guide you'll be able to send photo as TikTok message to any of your TikTok followers or friends. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.